We all dream of healthy, vibrant hair. It's a symbol of beauty and vitality. But achieving those luscious locks often means navigating a world of harsh chemicals and expensive treatments. What if I told you there's a simpler, more natural way? Nature holds the key to unlocking your hair's true potential. Embracing natural hair care is about nourishing your body from the inside out. It's about using ingredients that work in harmony with your body, not against it. Imagine a world where you could ditch the harsh chemicals and embrace the power of nature. Imagine a world where your hair care routine was a ritual of self-care, a moment to connect with yourself and the earth. Creating your own DIY hair growth oil is easier than you think. It's a journey of discovery, a chance to reconnect with nature's bounty. And the best part? You control the ingredients, ensuring they're pure, potent, and perfectly tailored to your hair's needs. Imagine the satisfaction of crafting your own hair growth elixir. Imagine the feeling of warm oil, infused with the essence of nature, seeping into your scalp, nourishing each strand. That's the magic of DIY. This isn't just about hair growth, it's about self-care. It's about taking the time to nourish yourself, to connect with your body, and to embrace the beauty of natural ingredients. Let's unlock the secrets of nature's most potent hair growth ingredients. These natural wonders have been used for centuries to nourish and strengthen hair. Each ingredient in our DIY hair growth oil has been carefully chosen for its unique properties, ensuring that they work in harmony to give you the best results. Working together, these ingredients promote healthy hair growth, reduce hair fall, and leave your locks looking and feeling their absolute best. This tropical treasure, coconut oil, is a natural moisturizer that penetrates the hair shaft to prevent breakage and split ends. It's also rich in lauric acid, known for its antimicrobial properties, which help keep your scalp healthy and free from infections. Known for its thick consistency, castor oil is a powerhouse for hair growth, deeply nourishing the scalp and hair follicles. It's rich in ricinoleic acid, which is believed to increase blood flow to the scalp, promoting hair growth and strengthening the roots. This invigorating oil stimulates hair follicles, promoting hair growth and adding a natural shine to your hair. It's also known for its calming aroma, making it a wonderful addition to any hair care routine, providing both therapeutic and aesthetic benefits. Ready to embark on your DIY hair care journey? Whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast or a complete beginner, this guide will walk you through every step. Here's a simple, step-by-step guide to crafting your own hair growth oil. 1. Gather your ingredients. This is the foundation of your DIY project. You'll need half a cup of coconut oil, which is known for its moisturizing properties and ability to penetrate the hair shaft. 2 tablespoons of castor oil, a powerful ingredient that promotes hair growth and thickness. And 10 drops of rosemary essential oil, which stimulates blood circulation to the scalp and encourages hair growth. 2. Gently melt the coconut oil. This step ensures that all ingredients mix well together. Place the coconut oil in a heat-safe glass jar. Make sure the jar is clean and dry. Fill a saucepan with a few inches of water and bring to a simmer over medium heat. This creates a gentle heat source. Place the jar in the simmering water, stirring occasionally, to ensure even melting. Continue stirring until the coconut oil is fully melted. 3. Infuse with rosemary. Once the coconut oil is melted, carefully remove the jar from the heat. Use oven mitts if necessary. Add the castor oil and rosemary essential oil. Stir gently to combine, ensuring all ingredients are well mixed. Make sure the mixture is smooth and consistent. 4. Bottle and store. Pour the oil mixture into a clean, dry glass bottle. Use a funnel to avoid spills. Seal the bottle tightly and store it in a cool, dark place. This helps preserve the oil's potency and extends its shelf life. Section 5. The ritual of application. Tips for optimal results. Applying your DIY hair growth oil is a ritual, a moment of self-care to savor. It's not just about the end result, but also about enjoying the process. Here's how to maximize the benefits and make the most out of your hair care routine. First, gently warm the oil by placing the bottle in a bowl of warm water for a few minutes. This helps to activate the ingredients and makes the oil more effective. Next, divide your hair into sections to ensure you're applying the oil evenly to your scalp. This step is crucial for thorough coverage. Using your fingertips, massage the oil into your scalp in circular motions. This technique not only feels relaxing, but also promotes better absorption. This will stimulate blood flow and help the oil penetrate deeper. Increased blood circulation can enhance hair growth and scalp health. After massaging your scalp, work the remaining oil through the lengths of your hair to the ends. This ensures that every strand gets nourished. For best results, leave the oil on your hair overnight, covering it with a shower cap or towel. This allows the oil to work its magic while you sleep. In the morning, wash your hair with a gentle shampoo and conditioner. This will help to remove the oil without stripping your hair of its natural moisture, leaving it soft and shiny. Section 6. Listen to your hair. Personalizing your hair care routine. Just like our bodies, our hair is unique. What works wonders for one person might not be the perfect fit for another. Embrace the journey of discovery. Pay attention to how your hair responds to this oil, and adjust the ingredients or frequency of use as needed. Experiment with different carrier oils, like jojoba oil or argan oil. Explore the world of essential oils, adding a few drops of lavender for relaxation or peppermint for a stimulating scalp massage. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all approach to hair care. It's about finding what works best for you and your hair's unique needs. Section 7. The beauty of patience. Embracing the journey to healthier hair. Remember, achieving healthy, vibrant hair is a journey, not a race. Be patient with yourself and your hair. Results take time, but with consistent use and a little TLC, you'll start to notice a difference. Embrace the process. Enjoy the ritual of creating your own hair care products. Celebrate the small victories, like a little extra shine or a few less strands on your hairbrush. The journey to healthier hair is a journey of self-discovery, of learning to listen to your body and nourish it from the inside out. Section 8. Embrace the natural glow. Radiance from within. True beauty radiates from within. It's about feeling good in your own skin, about embracing your natural self. Natural hair care is just one step in that journey. Remember to nourish your body with wholesome foods, stay hydrated, and manage stress. When you take care of yourself from the inside out, it shows. So go ahead, embrace the power of nature, create your own DIY hair growth oil, and embark on a journey to healthier, more vibrant hair.